Well, it finally came in. This is my rear drop member kit from Porterbuilt Fabrication for the 73 through 87 Chevy GMC square body. This kit's going to allow us to get rid of the leaf springs, convert it to a 4-link coilover setup or airbags. In my case, I'm going to do the coilovers. Firstly, I'd like to say the crew at Porterbuilt is fantastic to deal with. When I first called them, I knew kind of what I wanted, but I didn't know what I wanted, and I also didn't know what I needed. They walked me through all of it. They even worked with me to order the rear end that I'm going to use under this setup. They worked with me to get my rear wheel offsets correct, and they're just super knowledgeable, and they're so glad to help. Made it so easy. So this is the kit. Let me walk you through how it came and what we've got here. So here's how your Porterbuilt drop member is going to come. Neatly packaged, and I've already removed some of the packaging so we could see what was in there. But it's a bolt together kit. So it's going to come in, mine came in 4 boxes, minus the shocks. I have not ordered my coilover shocks yet. But it comes neatly packaged in 4 boxes, and it includes a QR code with your installation instructions. Here's how neatly your hardware comes packaged from Porterbuilt. All in individual bags and clearly labeled. Again, the QR code with the installation instructions. They do a super good job putting these kits together. Again, completely bolt together kit. I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage mine now and get some paint on it before it rusts out here in the garage while it's waiting for me to get it installed. So in the automotive world, a lot of people kind of look down on rattle can paint. In a case like this is a product that I really have come to like. So it looks like spray paint, but this is a product made by VHT. Their roll bar and chassis paint. It's actually epoxy paint, and the stuff is super durable. It works really good in a case like this. The finish is a lot more durable than any spray paint you're going to use. I had a sandblaster ask me one time after I had him do some ATV wheels that were actually painted with this. He said, "What in the world was on those wheels?" I said, "Oh, this paint." And he said he like to never got it off. So it's just super durable stuff. And so if you have small parts, you know, that don't really require getting out a spray gun and doing all the cleanup that comes with that, this is a great way to go. This is the kit basically in its entirety. All of your brackets, cross member. Here's your control bars. The quality that Porterbuilt turns out is just phenomenal. Couldn't be happier. Comes at a cost, but guys, it's worth it. Stay tuned and check back in with us. We'll be installing this in the truck shortly and finishing the build.